artists. Today, we're drawing two special friends, Orin the bird and Clucker the chicken. Are you ready to bring these feathery friends to life? Let's get started. Orin is a cheerful, chirpy bird who loves to fly around, and Clucker is a cute chicken with fluffy feathers and a big heart. Orin's feathers are shiny and smooth, while Clucker's are fluffy and cozy. Orin loves eating juicy berries, but Clucker prefers munching on corn kernels. Orin sings sweet songs in the mornings, but Clucker likes to cluck when she's happy. Do you think Orin is good at singing lullabies? What song would he sing to Clucker? Did you know Clucker lays eggs? Maybe she'll have a nest in your drawing. Orin's wings can flap so fast that it looks like he's gliding on the wind. Clucker has a wiggly red comb on her head that makes her extra adorable. Great! Our Orin and Clucker sketches look amazing. They're ready to flap and cluck. Now, it's time to add colors to make their feathers bright and full of personality. Let's make them shine with your favorite crayons or markers. Orin is small and zippy, while Clucker is round and waddles when she walks. Orin dreams of traveling far and wide, but Clucker prefers staying close to the coop. When they hang out, Orin loves perching on Clucker's back like they're best buddies. Should Orin and Clucker be hanging out on a farm or flying in a sunny sky? Please like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to make sure you don't miss any new videos. Clucker gets scared of rain, but Orin loves to splash in puddles after a storm. Have you ever seen a bird and a chicken together before? What do you think they talk about? If Orin and Clucker were going on an adventure, where would they go? Maybe the forest or a big field. Well done! Orin and Clucker look so lively and adorable. We've done an incredible job. Don't forget to add some fun details, like a bright sky, some grass, or maybe even a little birdhouse. Thanks for drawing with me today, and I can't wait to see you next time for another creative adventure.